Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a duplex project in Patia, Raghunathpur. So that is the duplex and that is the way to come. So this is in Raghunathpur, Patia. So there are total 18 duplexes, out of which only these 5 which I pointed out are left out for sale. So only 5 duplexes are left in Patia for sale. So this duplex project is situated in Raghunathpur. To be precise, it is located in Somnath Nagar in Raghunathpur, just behind Royal Lagoon apartment. So these are the 5 duplexes which are left out, and that middle duplex is already sold out. So as you can see, the construction is still going on. All brand new duplexes are to be constructed over here. Total 18 duplexes to be constructed, and out of which only 5 are left for sale, and that is the road to come from Raghunathpur main road, from Patia main road. So just after that, you see that apartment, that is Royal Lagoon. Just at the backside of Royal Lagoon apartment, the project is situated. So you just have to cross Z1 and then come just a bit ahead, then take a right turn and come to this project. As you can see, this project has a good connectivity, and this is just 2.5 kilometers from KIT College, KIT Square, and it is at the backside of Lalchand as well. Lalchand is situated on the main road. That these two, from the starting, these two are there. The third one is sold out. Fourth and fifth and sixth. So only 5 duplexes are left. So now we have come down. I will show you a model duplex so that you can get a clear picture how the duplexes are made. So let me take you for a tour inside this duplex. This is the model duplex. So we'll just go inside now. As you can see, this is the car parking. I'll show you the front view of this duplex. So that is one entrance from the car parking, and that is another entrance. So you've got 2 entrances, and that is the ground and first floor. So this is the sump area which is being constructed, and over that there will be parking. So this is the entrance from the garage. This is the drawing room. It is a bit dirty because the construction, the tile work is still going on. That way is the entrance to the staircase. That is the toilet. That is the first room on the right. Only one room on the ground floor. That is the kitchen. That is the puja room. So only one room in the ground floor. This is the kitchen. That was the puja room behind, and this is the room on the ground floor. So it's a good room. That is the common toilet. Actually the room can be attached. If we can also break the wall from there and make it an attached toilet, but it is a common toilet. So that is from where we came in. That is the kitchen. Over there is the puja room. On the right is the toilet, and this is the room. So now let's go upstairs. So this is one more entrance on the right hand side, which I showed you. So let's go upstairs. The stairs are also very small, so that old age people can easily climb the stairs, not a problem. As you can see, it is clearly visible over here. It's a bit dirty now because the tile work is going on. So now we have reached the first floor. So on the first floor there are 2 rooms. This is the lobby area, and this is the balcony attached to the lobby area. So I'll just take you for the view from the balcony. So as you can see, this is the view from the balcony. That is the entrance over there from where we came, and this is the view from the balcony. Small balcony, not a big one though. So this is the lobby area, or you can say a drawing area. That is from where we came in, and just over there the same, there is one kitchen, there is one toilet, common toilet, and this is the master bedroom with attached toilet. The tile work is going on, so it's a bit dirty. You can see this is the toilet for the master bedroom, and that is another second room in the first floor. So this is the third room, the last room, you can say. This has a good view from the window. Yeah. So this is the view from the window overlooking the outside. Now let's go. So that is the third room, and just opening the third room, over here in the left hand side is the kitchen. The kitchen is a quite big one. The granite and tile flooring is being done. So this is the view from the backside. That is the Royal Lagoon apartment from the backside of this building, you can see. So now let's go up to the terrace so that I can show you a clear view of the terrace and the surroundings. So that is the staircase from where we came. So this is the first floor. Now we will go to the terrace. So again, small steps, easily climbable by old people as well, and very few steps to go to the terrace. And again, so this is the terrace. Again, I'll show you from the front side. So that over there is the entrance, and as you can see the view from the terrace. So again, let me tell you, this is 15 kilometers from Cuttack High Court as well, and this is 12 kilometers from Jaydev Vihar, and this is just at the backside of Lalchand, 500 meters from Lalchand, and this is totally backside of Royal Lagoon, and this area is known as Somnath Nagar in Raghunathpur. And so please do like, share and subscribe to my channel to see more updates on future flats and duplexes in Bhubaneswar and Puri. So please do give me a call if you're interested to buy any properties. Thank you.